respected teachers, parents, and their friends. Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th August. We all celebrated this day with great joy and enthusiasm every year. Dear friends, in unity there lies the strength. Therefore, we have to be united. We have to make the commitments today that we shall never allow any harm to our land. Here, lastly, I would proudly like to say, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Good morning. Independence Day. Independence Day is an important day for India. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. On this day in 1947, August 15, India became independent from the British rule. Many freedom fighters did their best to make our country free. It is a national holiday in India. The Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. Prime Minister delivers his speech to the citizens of India. Prime Minister also pays his tribute to our martyrs. In school and colleges also celebrate this and distribute sweets. Everywhere the national flag is hoisted and the national anthem is sung. We must proud to be Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning everybody. Respected all, today I am going to speak about Independence Day. At first I would like to wish you all happy Independence Day. On this year we will celebrate 74th Independence Day. It is a big day because on 15th August 1947 India got freedom from the British rule. We should remember great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and others. After independence, we got our fundamental rights. But in India spread many diseases. This year in 2020, our country and all other countries are fighting with coronavirus disease. Our freedom is priceless and our soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. Let us all pledge today to do our best and make our country best of the world. I feel proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning to all. My name is Tulsi Duttaki. First, I wish you very happy Independence Day. I would like to speak a few words from the bottom of my heart on this special occasion. Friends, today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. It is one of the most important day for all Indian citizens. This day is very important for all Indians because on this day, 15th August 1947, our country became independent from British rule. British rule over India for more than 200 years. During which they divided and controlled us. Many brave warriors of India freedom fighters raised their voice against the Indian soil. Thousands of brave sons sacrificed their lives for freedom in Indian freedom struggle. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today is one of the most important day of our history. Yes, today is the 74th Independence Day of our country. After a long 200 years of British rule, India got independence on 15 August 1947 after lots of hardship and sacrifice of the brave Indian freedom fighters. We celebrate Independence Day to remember the lives that sacrificed to gain this freedom. We know that from Rani Bai to Mahatma Gandhi, we faced so many struggles, a lot of hardship to achieve the freedom in this day. We should honor the memory of our freedom fighters. They sacrificed their lives for our country. On this day, every citizen of our country pays tributes to them. I salute them on the occasion. Chacha Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India and his first speech was praised with listening. Independence Day is the celebration of our freedom. It is celebrated to commemorate our last heroes like Mahatma Gandhi, Lala Lajpat Rai and Subhash Chandra Bose and so many others. It's celebrated with full enthusiasm and it is a public holiday. On Independence Day, Prime Minister hoists the national flag on Red Fort. In school, so many functions are organized like dance, song, and sports, etc. Independence Day makes us feel that we are one of the Indians. Jai Hind.
Good morning all. My name is Anshida Sharin P. Independence Day is an important day for India. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. On this day in 1947, India became independent from the British rule. Many freedom fighters did their best to make our country free. It is national holiday in India. Jai Hind.
Morning. Independence Day is an important day for India. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. On this day in 1947, India became independent from the British rule. It is national holiday in India. Jai Hind.
Happy Independence Day. Independence Day is an important day for India. It is celebrated on 5th August every year. On this day in 1947, India became independent from the British rule. Many freedom fighters did their best to make our country. It is a national holiday in India. The Prime Minister hosted the national flag at the Red Fort in the Delhi. Prime Minister delivers his speech to the division of India. Prime Minister also voiced his troops to armed drives. In schools and colleges also celebrate this day and distribute sweets where the national flag is hoisted and the national anthem is sung. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
To all my respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends, I am standing before you to tell a few words on Independence Day. Today we have gathered here to celebrate this great national event. As we all know, that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. India's Independence Day is the most important day to all the Indian citizens and has been mentioned forever in the history. It is a day when we get freedom from the British rule after many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. Indian soldier Mangal Pandey in the British force had first raised his voice against the Britishers for the independence of India. Later, several great freedom fighters had struggled and spent their whole life only for getting freedom. How can we ignore all the struggles of Netaji and Gandhiji?